What's up? Welcome back to my channel / TikTok. My name is Caela, and today we're going to be learning spring signs. Sorry, I forgot what I was learning. Okay, you ready? So the first sign is spring. Spring. It is very similar to the sign grow, where your non-dominant hand's in front and your dominant hand's the one like going up and springing. Alright, the second sign for spring is rain. With this sign, it's great because you get to kind of control how hard you're going or how soft the rain is. And then the third spring sign is flower. And then the fourth and final is green. I always think green is a spring color.